Alright, so since last time I was not able to get the sound comparison between the stock exhaust and the aftermarket exhaust, I'm gonna do it right here today. I have two Focus STs, my buddy Beto's car. So I'll do this one, and then this one, then this one, then this one, and give you a great look at what it sounds like, stock and not stock. So check it out. I got some spectators over here making fun of me while I'm recording, jerks. Alright, now with the buddy right here, Jojo. We got his Focus ST. Looking good too. So right now we're gonna do the sound comparison between my Cobb, and he has a turbo back Mbrp exhaust all the way, and deleted resonators? Yeah. And the resonators have been deleted. So this thing is beastly. It's furious, no lie. Can you see that shit? Oh fuck, it's all deep in there. Ah. Yeah, so here we go.